Viking Blood 2024. So again, a new year, a new Viking Blood. I make one in 2022, 2023 and now 2024. I changed the recipe again a little bit because I wanted to try it with a little bit less juice and more honey. Why? The juice is expensive and also I want more honey flavor. And I want to scale it up soon. So I reduce the juice with my first recipe I have in the batch number 4 in 2023. We started it in May last year. And I changed a little bit the recipe now. We will reduce 1 liter, we get 1 liter cherry juice less. So we just use 1.5 liter cherry juice for our Viking Blood now. Then we use water. But for this, because the juice have normally 118 gram sugar in it, in 1 liter. And we have 1 liter now missing, so we're missing 118 gram sugar. And I calculated, because 80% of honey are sugar normally, I calculated, so we need around 150 gram more. Just divide 120, I used 220 for it, by 0.8. So then you have the sugar you need, the honey you need, because you need the sugar. I will use again the forest honey, and I use the cheap honey from the grocery. Also forest honey from the grocery, but really good. I like the taste. And we mix it together. I will use a little bit more forest honey than the cheap honey. I thought 500 gram forest honey, and the last time we used 700 gram honey. So now we're using exactly 850 gram. So when there we use 500, there we need 350. Let's start. We have our scale here. Starting it. Wait, the funnel needs to be within, and the units are also wrong now because I cannot handle. No, it's right. I cannot handle pounds. So it's just easy. Normally it's just 500 gram in it. So we will see. 433. I think we will put a little bit water to get out the rest of the honey, but I need to calculate also the water then. I need to say my new light is really bright. Okay, let's see. We have 420. Let's see. 47, 8, 9, and 50. Okay, we have 450. We just remember. Now we're getting half liter of water. Okay, that's half liter of water. I'll put the water again away. Okay, why half liter? Because I know 1/2 liter is 500 gram. The water at room temperature. Today I don't use filtered water because I need a new water filter. So let's see that we get the honey out. Make it like this. Okay. At the end we need to have 1 kilogram with the water and the honey. Okay. 1 kilogram. Okay, 1.01 kilogram. It's okay. I need a spoon. This honey is just a cheap blossom honey from the grocery, and it's cost €5 the kilogram. 230 and done. Okay. Now we need again half liter of water. And then we have a lot of honey in water. Okay. Let's see if we're adding again 500 grams of water. Yes, we did. Okay. This one we need later again. And I will clean here a little bit, put away the honey and clean my hands, it's full of honey. Now we need to check. Just try to get the honey in the water. I mean, it's now 850 grams of honey and just 1 liter of water. It's a lot. But it works. Also, we're adding some oxygen inside. So what I will do now is I will add half liter of cherry juice again to have more liquid where I can get the honey inside. So again, my pitcher. Did I shake it? This one is 50% cherry juice from concentrate and water plus sugar. Okay. How much sugar is inside? Ah, they don't say it from concentrate. Okay, this one is 50% cherry juice, fresh, pressed, and water and sugar. They don't say how much sugar, but at the end it's 11.8 grams sugar in it. So yes, it's a lot. Okay, we need the funnel again. Then I can try to get again some of the honey here. Not a lot, but of course, every drop of honey counts. If I calculate it right, we have the same gravity like the last time. The color is amazing, still amazing. What color, what gravity we have the last time? 1.110. So, if I calculate it right, we're ending again with 1.110. Plus minus a few. Because, of course, honey is not always the same sugar concentrate. I calculated with 80% sugar. So, sometimes honey have a little bit more. Almost never they have less, but sometimes they have a little bit more. The Filipino honey, for example, have a little bit less because they have a higher water content than the German honey. German honey has strict rules of the water content, water concentrate. That looks good. But if you think it's done, check it a little bit longer. Now it's a little bit more heavier. Now we're talking about just 1.5 kilo. Okay, it's not so heavy. Plus 800 grams, okay, 2 kilo, almost 2.5, not so heavy. Okay. We make a lot of oxygen inside and it tastes good. Shaking it. So, again, cherry juice. We have a lot of foam. I try to get out the foam. Okay. Because we need to put all the juice here. Okay, like you can see, it's a lot of liquid. I don't know why, maybe the last time I don't use 2.5 liter. So let's see that we can mix it a little bit. So I just wanted to be sure that the honey is everywhere, so we have a good reading. Then we don't use everything, just pour it here. Let's see first the gravity. Try not to get so much foam. Now it's floating good. But I also have some foam. Difficult to see because of the foam. The foam is blocking my view. Okay, it's 1.108. 1.1108. 1.108. 1.108 is good. It's almost 1.110. So it works. Let's see that we get this back in the fermenter. And this bag to dry. A little bit more. We want a lot of juice. Oh, this one is a risk for having a stormy start. Like this we want it, but I have a problem. I need now to add the yeast. So, back. So, this time again we're using old Polish mead yeast. I used it for my first Viking Blood in 2022. If I remember right, there I don't write it down in a book, I write it just on the paper. So if I wanted to know it, I need to watch the video, or you watch the video. There, I think there. So we're using around 1 tablespoon. This one has already some nutrients inside, so we don't need to add other nutrients. So we just mix it well, and adding it again. There are some of the nutrients left. Hey, good, we're done. Adding the airlock, putting some cheap vodka, it's done. And I'm pretty sure it will start in the next hours. It's a little bit cold here in the kitchen, so the juice was cold, so maybe it's needed a bit longer until the juice warmed. It's not from the fridge, the kitchen is just cold, and it stands in the kitchen. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And here are 2 more videos, maybe you will like them also. One is my Viking Blood from the last year, and the other one is what YouTube think you will like. And we'll see you the next time. Bye.